Constituents from various wards of Akko local government area converge on Kumo to express their appreciation to Governor Inuwa Yahya for his development initiatives as evidence of the government's impact in the local government area. The empowerment program sees many constituents receiving motorcycles, sewing machines, grinding machines and bags of fertilizer as part of efforts to support livelihoods and agricultural activities.
This is the third batch of empowerment that is going on right away. And the previous ones we are done, and a lot of beneficiaries we are enrolled, and they are benefited from different types of items. Once more, I thank the convener of this very important event, and I wish us success in all our endeavors.
They pledge their support for President Bola Tinubu, Governor Inuwa Yahya, and the APC governorship flag bearer Jamilu Gwamma, promising victory for the party across all levels in the 2027 elections.
From what he has given to us, we want to give it back to our community. That is why I initiated this program, so that we can empower youth, women, and the aged, even the farmers, for us to encourage them to vote for APC, from President Bola Ahmed Tinubu down to our members, State House of Assembly, who happens to be the Speaker of Gombe State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Abubakar Mohammed Lugereo.
Some of the beneficiaries express appreciation for the empowerment items, saying the initiative would help improve their economic activities. Party stalwarts at the event described the APC as united and ready for the 2027 general elections.
One thing that I was very glad to see is the people who are holding different offices, starting from the members of the State Executive Council down to the council members, the LCDA chairman, and even the Speaker of the House of Assembly. All of them come under the same umbrella to celebrate one of their own. This is quite encouraging.
APC members in Akko local government area are confident of delivering victory for the party from the presidential to the state and national assembly levels.